Namaste. I am Kishan Kumar, PhD student in the Department of Chemistry, University of Delhi. My PhD research supervisor is Professor P. Venkateshu. During my PhD, I worked on stimuli responsive polymers. I am very much thankful to the AC Sustainable Chemistry and Engineering for giving me this opportunity to showcase my research on this beautiful platform. Now I am going to show you some of the beautiful pictures of Delhi University campus. Namaste. In the present work, the performance of deputatic solvent containing choline chloride as hydrogen bond acceptor group are investigated on the thermoresponsive behavior of polyanvinyl caprolactam. I am very much thankful to my research advisors, Professor P. Venkateshu and Professor Yunsuk Hu for their guidance and support. I am also very much thankful to Dr. Meena, Dr. Umapati and Dr. Majid for their support, which leads to the successful research result. What are thermoresponsive polymers? Thermoresponsive polymers are the polymers that exhibit a drastic and discontinuous change in their physical properties with changing the temperature. Among TRPs, polyanvinyl caprolactam, that is PVCl, has received immense attention due to its characteristic features and diversified applications in various biomedical field and pharmaceutical industries. Figure shows typical coil to globular conformation transition of a thermoresponsive polymer with changing the temperature. The thermoresponsive polymers are extensively used in various interdisciplinary fields. There are different types of stimuli which influences the property of thermoresponsive polymers. Basically, these stimuli can be characterized into three different types, that is biological stimuli, physical stimuli and chemical stimuli. Now I will show you the brief outline of my research work. I have firstly synthesized the polyanvinyl caprolactam, that is PVCl, by using free radical polymerization. I have characterized the synthesized polymer by using NMR spectroscopy and studied the thermoresponsive properties of the PVCl. Then I have synthesized and characterized the environmentally benign deputatic solvent with same hydrogen bond acceptor group and different hydrogen bond donor groups. Afterwards, I have studied the effect of different concentrations of deputatic solvent on conformational transition of PVCl via various spectroscopic. Deputatic solvent are emerging class of benign liquid formulation which are recognized as green alternative to conventional ionic liquid and organic solvent. Choline chloride is used as hydrogen bond acceptor group and urea, ethylene glycol and lactic acid as hydrogen bond donor group. They possess advantages over ionic liquid such as low cost, low toxicity and easy to preparation. The successful synthesis of deputatic solvent are confirmed by using FTIR spectroscopy. Spectroscopic techniques which are extensively used during the research work are UV visible spectroscopy, steady-state fluorescence spectroscopy, temperature-dependent fluorescence spectroscopy, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, and dynamic light scattering. Temperature-dependent fluorescence intensity measurements were carried out using external fluorescent probe, that is ANS. The intensity of ANS in the PVCl aqueous solution changes sharply once the temperature reaches the critical transition temperature. Figure clearly shows the variation of transition temperature in the deputatic solvent, which depend on the type of hydrogen bond donor group which are present in the test molecules. Figure shows the dynamic light scattering measurements of PVCl in presence of higher concentration of deputatic solvent at 30 degrees Celsius. DLS result illustrates the large size agglomerate formation in presence of choline chloride lactic acid. This is the schematic illustration of diuretic solvent-induced alteration of hydration layer in the poly and vinyl caprolactam. Present study demonstrates the influence of choline chloride based diuretic solvent with different hydrogen bond donor on the phase behavior of PVCl. The presence of DES decreases the transition temperature of PVCl by disturbing the water gradient around the polymer. I want to acknowledge the financial support provided to us by National Research Foundation of Korea and Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, India, to carry out the present research work. I am very much thankful to Professor P. Venkateshu, advisor in the Biophysical Research Laboratory, Department of Chemistry, University of Delhi, India, and Professor Yoon Suk Ho, advisor in the NanoBio High Tech Material Research Center in the Department of Biological Engineering at Inha University, Republic of Korea.